I'll click on add product now. Alright, now it says select a product type to proceed. We have physical product, we have digital product, ticket, subscription, service. Alright, so the purpose of this course is actually for digital product. If you have any other product to sell, you can also, you want people to subscribe to something, you can also make use of this. So you can see that Selar has so many functionalities. So if you don't have Selar account, I wonder what you are doing online. So it's very, very important. As far as you are doing your business online, you need to have Selar account. So I'll click on digital product, click on next. Alright, so here I'll put my image here. The image will be displayed on the product when they click on my link. Name of product. Okay, let me type in something here. Right, so I'll click on my drag and drop product image. Alright, this is the image I want to use. So I'm going to load up there. Alright, this is the sales price. I want it to be 1,000 naira. Okay, I want it to be 2,000 naira. Okay, so this is your strike through test. This particular one here. Yeah, this is your strike through test. Yeah, it shows the former price. So anything I put on here now, let me highlight it. I'm already 25,000 naira, so it's going to strike through this test. Oh, sorry. Here is where you write the product. Sorry for that. Here is where you put the product. So let me make some corrections. I'm supposed to write that here. 2,000 naira. I mean 25,000 naira. So here is where I will put my write-up. You need to put details about the product you are selling. Hence, the people are not seeing you one-on-one. This is not WhatsApp. This is not WhatsApp ad. This is what they need to make payment online. So they have to trust the product. So everything that they need to know about the product, they need to be detailed. So you need to write everything. Just paste everything here. You can see that what I pasted, the write-up is very, very long, very, very long. So it explains everything, what I'm going to benefit from this product. So let me scroll down. Alright, so I'm going to input my product category. Okay, software and tech. Let me just put marketing. So you can just pick anyone you want, anything that you feel like relates to your work, to what you are giving out. So let me leave it like that. Software, so then I will pick a subcategory. App and tools. Okay, this when the product have multiple variants. So this product is a single product, so I'm going to leave it like that and just proceed. A digital product, type product. You can also change it to something else. I'll change it to something else. But now this is a digital product, and this is a pre-order product. It's not a pre-order product. They are making payments online, so you don't need those settings for this. So this, if you want your buyers to download the file directly, you click on this download file. This is where you upload this is where they're going to download the file. So what I want to do now, I want to add what I want to make use of automatically redirect buyer to an external URL after purchase. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add my WhatsApp link so that they can message me on WhatsApp. So let me put my product file, the image that they will see. All right, you can see I've added my WhatsApp link. This is a customized WhatsApp link. So what will happen? When I click on create product, it automatically save on my product list. So what will happen here is once they making payment, it's going to write strike to my DM. So once you make payment on Seller, you will receive an email instantly. So once you check your email, you will see the person's name and the name and the email address of which the person is going to submit to you on your DM or WhatsApp. So from there you can send the product to the person. That's the method I'm using. You can do it anyhow, or you can allow the person to just download the product without communicating with you. You will receive your money. So once I click create product, I'm already done with this. So it's very easy to create. So you just follow the full step the way I taught you, and you can also run through the dashboard, the products. You can run through the settings, whether you want merchants to be making payment. Like there's a 9, if you are making 1,000 naira payment, there is a, like, I think 9%, I think, yeah, 9% or so, 9% commission for seller. That means if you are paying 1,000 naira, it's going to be 1,090 naira. So you can also decide whether the 90 naira is going to be paid by the person making payment, which is 1,090 naira, or you be the one to make payment. That means you will not get 910 naira at the end of the day. So it's just 90 naira or 1,000 naira. So Seller is one of the best thing that ever happened to this generation. If you don't have an account, I don't know what you're still doing. So kindly create your account. I've already taught you how to do that, and it's very easy.